Yeah, so now we are going to practice the interview, especially for Ridwan first, okay? Because
Yeah.
Adi has already passed the interview, so what Adi needs is probably more speaking classes. Yeah, so I plan to schedule a few speaking classes in the next few weeks, so that apart from the interview
Yes,
at Marlins, we also have speaking classes for cruise ship preparation. Ya, jadi buat supaya apa ya, supaya ketika interview itu lebih pede kalau kita bahasa Inggris setiap hari gitu ya. Oke. So now,
yes,
Ridwan, shall we start? Ridwan, can you please introduce yourself to me?
yes. Thanks for the opportunity, Mom. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ridwan Cahya Wicaksono, but everyone calls me Ridwan, and I'm 27 years old and I'm single. Itu lanjut sampai semuanya, Mas?
Of course, of course.
Atau oh
Semuanya. Jadi introduction itu lengkap ya.
sampai
Introduction itu pokoknya apa?
sampai
Personal
yang
detail, experience, education, all of them.
oh
Yeah,
yeah,
always three parts. Yeah, either
oh yeah,
for any user interview, for land-based hotels or for cruise ships,
oh
formatnya selalu komplit kayak gitu ya. Oke, keep going.
oh yeah, yeah,
Hmm?
yes. Ulang ya, Mas ya.
Yeah, sure. Please
Yes.
do.
Thank you for this opportunity, Mom. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ridwan Cahya Wicaksono, but everyone calls me Ridwan.
Mhm.
I'm 27 years old and I'm single. I would like to apply for hotel utility position in your cruise ship. I have been working in the hotel hospitality industry for more or less 5 years, and especially in the housekeeping department.
Mhm.
My last experience, for my last experience for years in the room attendant position at Puri Asri Hotel and Resort. It is a five-star hotel.
Mhm.
My responsibility is to handle the cleanliness, maintenance, and aesthetic of the guest room. Uh, I make I make up 16 until 20 room in a day by myself. Sometimes I got help by a trainee.
Mhm.
Uh, the kind of room that I clean are superior, deluxe, suite, and penthouses room. It's very special. Penthouse is a very spacious and luxurious room type.
Mhm.
I think it's very expensive price and we have to be detailed when cleaning it. I often handle VIP guests in here, ma'am,
Mhm.
such as the Vice President number 7, Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Budiono, and former leader of uh, Indonesian Army, Mr. Andika Perkasa.
Mhm.
Uh, and this is hotel most of the bigger and miser. This is hotel most of the guests are family, so the rooms are bigger and miser. It means I
Messier.
have more
Messier.
measure,
Ya, Messier itu lebih
measure,
lebih lebih berantakan gitu ya.
dantakan.
Mhm.
It it means have more work to do and I must be fast.
Oke.
But it's really fun when guests request to decorate the room. For example, is honeymoon, birthday, and anniversary. We can make towel art and give flower on the bed and balance.
Hmm. Oke. Alright.
I got used to doing challenging work.
Doing. Doing.
Doing,
Nah, jadi meskipun dia
I got
tulisannya O tapi
used
bacanya U
to
gitu ya, doing. Ya.
doing challenging work.
Mhm.
Before I work as a room attendant, I also work at public area position
Mhm.
at the same hotel. My responsibility is to handle the cleanliness, maintenance, and aesthetic of the public area, such as meeting room, restaurant, and sometimes in the lobby also. In terms of education, ma'am, I
Mhm.
graduated from Aloha Cruise Academy. It is
Mhm.
a professional training institute in Magelang. where I
Okay.
got my skills and knowledge in housekeeping department. I also graduated from a vocational high school of Biasa Magelang, majoring in
Mhm.
hospitality. I believe with all experience, I can be a good candidate for this position.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. So just keep it up ya, keep up the good work for this one. Yang ini dipertahankan udah bagus, artikulasinya udah oke, but you have to improve a little bit on the pronunciation, especially when you say lebih berantakan, it's messier ya, messier itu aja.
Yes,
Itu aja
yeah.
sih, messier. Oke. So now Adi juga boleh tanya loh, maksudnya, I mean to help your friends. You can also ask him the questions that were asked to you during the four interviews. Yeah, you attended four interviews already. Okay, so now let's go to the next question. All right, Ridwan. Well, can you please
Yeah.
tell me the responsibilities of public area attendant? Because you said previously, yeah, you said before that you were a public area attendant, right? Yes, okay. What is
My
the responsibility
responsibility
of
is
public area
to
attendant? Yeah.
my responsibility is handle the cleanliness, maintenance
Mm-hmm.
of aesthetic of the public area,
Mm-mm.
such
Okay.
as meeting room,
Mm-hmm.
restaurant, and sometimes in the lobby also.
Okay. So you mentioned about meeting room, restaurant, and lobbies as the public area.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you
Yes.
please tell me how you clean the public areas? Just give one example. It can be lobby, restaurant, or public restroom. It's up to you.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
First, I will prepare two tools and equipment for cleaning the meeting room.
Mm-hmm.
I will dust all furniture, such as table, chair, and all furniture in the room.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, dust ceiling using telescopic dust, spray glass cleaner, and dust glass door, and vacuuming carpet.
Okay, very good. That's how you cleaned a meeting room, right?
Meeting
Okay.
room, yes.
So the next question, can you please tell me the kinds of tools and equipment, yeah, that you use in housekeeping department? Mention
Oh,
itu apa? Disebutkan aja.
sebutkan, oh,
Jadi
tools.
I use, ya, in housekeeping department I
Uh,
used, saya pernah pakai apa aja gitu.
Equipment sama toolsnya, apa
Ya,
equipment aja?
equipment and
Dua-duanya.
tools, ya, both.
Oh ya. I use hand glove, yellow sign,
Mhm,
and equipment, rotary machine, vacuum
mhm,
cleaner,
mhm,
scrubbing machine,
mhm.
wet vacuum, and dry blower.
Okay, all right, good. So, well, now please tell me the chemicals. Yeah, the chemicals
Chemical,
that you use.
uh, chemical is a cleaning agent use kills germ and maintain cleanliness in the work area.
Mhm. Yeah, and explain the chemicals that you
Dan
use. Yeah, all of them.
menyebutkan
Mhm. Iya,
jenis-jenisnya ya, Sir?
iya
Oh,
betul. Misalkan nanti user tanya sama
iya.
kamu, tapi kamu tidak memahami pertanyaannya secara keseluruhan, Ridwan, you may just focus on the keywords. Kamu fokus ke keywordsnya aja. Misalnya dia kayak ngomong chemicals,
Poin-poinnya.
oh ya udah berarti you menceritakan dengan lengkap gitu. Alright,
Oh,
ya,
dipakai yang R1, R2
ya, that's right.
itu ya memang.
Ya, oke.
Oh,
What are the chemicals that you use in your workplace? Please mention and explain
eh,
their function.
I use Tax chemical,
Mhm.
R1 for bathroom, R2 for all-purpose cleaner, R3 for mirror cleaner, R4 is furniture or polish, R5 for air freshener, R6 to toilet bowl or urinal, R7 for floor cleaner,
Floor.
R8 floor cleaner, R8 for
Mhm.
kettle discolored,
Mhm.
and R9 for cleaning all balls in the bathroom,
Mhm.
sink, tub, and drinks.
Mm. Okay. Adi, would you like to ask any questions to Ridwan?
Oh, yes, Miss. I have some question for to Mr. Ridwan.
Mhm.
You are before in the public area, right, Mr.
Yes,
Ridwan?
Mhm.
yes.
Uh, so what kind of the machine you ever use in your hotel? Like maybe vacuum or polish machine or shampoo machine. What kind of the machine you ever use?
Yes,
Sorry.
Ridwan, please answer. What kind
Oh,
of
what kind of?
machine do you use in public
Oh,
area?
Area.
Mesin apa aja yang
yeah,
dipakai tapi khusus public area?
area.
Hmm,
Yes.
ya.
Oh, I use rotary machine,
Mhm.
wet vacuum, vacuum cleaner,
Yes.
and scrubbing machine, and dry blower.
Uh, you know, you know how to use the carpet shampoo machine?
Yes, I use wet vacuum for shampooing
No,
carpet.
you know how to. No, you know how to use the shampoo machine for
Machine.
shampooing carpet? Can you
Ya,
explain that? Yes.
ya. How do you use ya? How do you use shampooing machine?
Yeah.
Tahu cara pakai shampooing
Oh,
machine? Please explain. Oke, dicoba Ridwan.
uh, aduh saya belum nyatet yang itu ya, Miss.
Udah dapet ya? Oke, berarti besok untuk antisipasi
Iya,
PR-nya gini. Itu sebenarnya kan tinggal mengingat-ingat kembali dan nginggrisin aja kan Ridwan.
iya,
Jadi
iya.
diingat kembali mesin apa saja yang kamu pakai di public area dan juga di room
Dan cara
terus yang kamu
penggunaannya.
sebutkan tadi terus kamu ceritakan
Iya.
bagaimana cara menggunakannya dengan detail gitu. Nah, itu PR-nya ya.
Oh, iya, iya.
Terus
Iya,
besok kita bahas di kelas gitu.
iya.
Untuk ini ya, untuk mengantisipasi ya pertanyaan kayak gitu karena pertanyaannya
Iya.
kadang-kadang suka
Yeah.
operational question ya Adiatno ya. Pertanyaan how to gitu ya.
Iya.
Pertanyaan bagaimana
Iya.
menggunakan gitu.
Tiga itu
Memang
Phil.
heeh, sering ya.
Soalnya tiga interviewer saya ditanya itu semua, Miss. Dua
How
agent
to
itu
ya.
tanya gitu. Ya, terus yang tadi malam juga tanya.
Mm-mm. Nah ya, berarti itu frequently asked question ya Ridwan ya. Yang dipersiapkan
Iya.
selanjutnya itu, eh misalkan tadi Ridwan ada vacuum cleaner, terus ada rotary machine, ada shampooing machine, terus apa tadi? Ada satu lagi, dust blower or
Uh,
something? Is that right?
dry blower.
Dry
Dry blower.
blower,
Dari
yeah, that's
Prabowo.
one, yeah,
Iya.
dry blower. So, out of these four machines, you explain how to use them in English. Kalau menjelaskannya pakai bahasa Indonesia kan pasti bisa nih, ya kan?
Iya.
Karena sudah pernah
Nanti
melakukannya,
tinggal,
tapi masalahnya adalah
iya,
gimana sih biar keluarnya tuh Inggris gitu kan ya Adi ya, gitu.
iya,
Berarti
Iya,
itu
Miss.
PR selanjutnya ya untuk besok. Oke,
iya.
Iya.
and now I would like to ask some other questions. Okay, so Ridwan, kok what sih? Why ya? Why did you resign from your previous job?
Uh, because I want to improve my English skills and travel overseas and make more money than my previous job and level up my career.
Oke, very good. Terus bisa juga ditambahin apa? Bukan resign, tapi it's in the end of my contract. Gitu aja. Because my contract
Oh, iya.
has finished. Itu yang pertama
Oh,
itu. Terus ditambahin
oh, iya.
ditambahin pertanyaan yang tadi. Sorry, jawaban yang barusan
Oh
punya
yeah.
Ridwan itu. Tapi terserah bagaimana
Actually,
memasukkannya, apakah di depan atau di belakang. And it's also,
oh yeah.
and my contract also has finished. Gitu.
Yeah.
Ya. Tajuk.
Actually, my contract with Puri Asri Hotel and Resort has
Mhm,
finished,
mhm.
and I decided not to extend my contract because I want to pursue my career in the cruise ship, and I want to get international experience, improve my skills and knowledge in the cruise ship.
Okay, very good. Next one. And why do you want to work in a cruise ship, Ridwan?
Itu kenapa memilih bekerja di
Kapal.
cruise ship ya, Mas?
Ah, iya.
Oh,
Mantap aja nanti. Nanti
oh
kalau
ya,
user orang Indonesia ya, kayak sama agensi orang
ya,
Indonesia nanya itu, kamu nggak usah ini ya.
ya.
Maksudnya ini
Oh
ya,
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 ya, ya,
yuk di ini sendiri ya, mantap aja gitu, sama jawabannya gitu.
ya, ya.
Nggak usah confirm gitu ya.
Ya.
Oke, so explain.
Because I want to improve my English skills and travel overseas,
Mhm.
make more money than my previous job, and level up my career.
Okay. So the next question is, what do you know about deep cleaning and how do you do deep cleaning?
Deep cleaning is a thorough and detailed cleaning, such
Mhm.
as corner of the rooms, uh, ceiling, and the area
Sealing.
i- ceiling.
Ceiling. Nah, terus tadi satu lagi, menyeluruh itu bacanya bukan through tapi thorough. Memang tulisannya
Thorough.
agak mirip sama yang through ya, tapi artinya juga berbeda.
Yeah.
Kalau through itu artinya
Thorough.
melalui, kalau thorough ya thorough artinya menyeluruh.
Thorough.
Thorough. Oke.
Oh,
Kita ulangi ya.
thorough.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you know about deep cleaning and how do you do deep cleaning, please?
Deep cleaning is a thorough and detailed cleaning, such as corner of the room, ceiling, and the area that is hard to reach. Uh, I move the items. I clean
Mhm.
all surface using properly chemical.
Mhm.
Scrub if necessary,
Mhm.
then dry and do final check.
Okay. And which areas do you think need deep cleaning?
Restroom, stairs, crew room, elevator, and other areas.
Mhm.
Inside the toilet, under the toilet, wash bin, and urinal.
Okay. Very well. And then what do you know about USPH?
USPH is a United States Public Health, an
Mhm.
agency from United States, which regulation of safety, healthy, and cleanliness in the cruise ship, such
Mhm.
as procedure of three bucket system for cleaning in the work area.
Okay, all right, good. Okay, so apa tadi Mas mau koreksi pronunciation-nya lupa. Ya, kayaknya ini sih, all good sih. Okay, and the next one is, what do you do after using the vacuum cleaner?
Uh, I will clean the filter and dust tank,
Mm-hmm.
roll up the cord,
Mm-hmm.
store it properly, and I open the dust tank after cleaning, so uh, so that it is not damp.
Okay, very good. So, how do you clean vomit or puke?
In soft surface like carpet, I will apply chemical carpet powder to the vomit
Mm-hmm.
and wait 5 minutes. After that, I will pick up the vomit using special paper, spray disinfectant, and wait about 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
After that, shampooing carpet with wet vacuum and dry
Mm-hmm.
carpet using dry blower. And in the hard surface like tile,
Mm-hmm.
I will uh, I will blot the vomit using dry cloth or rag, spray disinfectant, and mop the floor using chemical.
Okay, all right. So Adi, would you like to ask another questions to Ridwan?
Oh.
Kalau
Yeah,
yang
so
tool sama machine
what the
learning
chem
itu PR ya, Ridwan ya. Bisa kita bahas ya.
Gimana, Miss?
Yang how to question tadi tuh loh. Yang menyiapkan
Oh yeah,
jawaban untuk how do you operate vacuum cleaner, how do you operate rotary machine,
Hmm.
shampooing machine, and what is the other one? Blower something?
blower.
Nah, oke.
dry blower.
Yes,
Dry
that's
blower,
his
that's
blower.
right. Oke, itu
That
PR-nya
blower.
untuk besok ya Ridwan ya. Besok udah ready kita
Yeah.
discuss. And Adi, would you like to ask some questions to Ridwan?
Oh, at hotel have a lot of the guests, right, in the hotel, and every time the elevator always using by the guests, sometimes and the staff also. And how do you clean the elevator? Can you explain that?
Hmm.
Yes. I will lock the elevator using keycard, and I dust ceiling using telescopic dust, spray glass cleaner, and dust all mirror in the elevator.
Mhm.
Spray disinfectant to elevator button, and mop the floor.
Oh, if you lock the elevator, how to the guest for to access from lobby to the room, and how to staff go for like access to bring the luggage in the room, guys. If you lock the elevator, how
Elevator.
to the guest for access to, oh yes, how to the guest for access to go to in room.
Hmm. Ya, Ridwan. Kalau
Itu
misalnya elevatornya
kenapa
di lock, kayak gitu ya.
ya?
Yeah,
Kalau misalnya elevatornya di lock, bagaimana guest itu akses menuju
buat ke
kamar dan
kamar.
area-area lain gitu ya maksudnya. Heeh. Oke.
Iya, iya, Mas.
Biasanya kan ada dua kanan kiri ya, Miss ya, kalau
Mhm.
elevator itu.
Mhm.
Jadi, untuk sementara waktu yang satu kita kunci
Mhm.
selama kurang lebih 10 menit, terus
Mhm.
yang
Mhm.
untuk keperluan yang mau memakai bisa memakai yang sebelah.
Mhm. Oke, kalau nanti itu di Inggrisin ya. Tapi anyway, gimana kalau
Ya,
jawabannya seperti itu, Adi? Menurut Adi gimana? What do you think, Adi? If that is the answer.
Yeah, if for my opinion, I
Mhm.
think don't lock the elevator. But if inside have guests, we can doing clean also. Guests will understand about that.
Hmm. Oke.
And guests, yeah, because guests also like clean the area also, right?
Hmm.
So that is no problem.
Mhm.
But if the elevator lot of the guests,
We don't
we
clean.
cannot do. But yeah, but
We
if
wait ya.
it's at only four, yes, only four or
Mhm.
three, the guests we can doing also.
Oke, alright.
And before you
Hmm.
clean, you have to say, "Excuse me, I wanna doing clean this elevator like that." Need
Oke.
to excuse me to the guests also. That's
Uh,
better.
that's better. Oke, ya itu seperti itu ya Ridwan ya. So, kalau itu mungkin yang lock di elevator itu memang SOP di Puri Asri seperti itu ya.
di Grand Artos.
Oh di Grand Artos. Oh
Di
iya,
Puri Asri
Puri Asri kan resort
nggak
ya.
ada elevatornya.
Ya
Ya,
gimana sih? Oke di Grand Artos ya seperti itu. Oke, so it also depends on the occupancy of the gas inside the elevator ya. Jadi mungkin jawabannya bisa begini Ridwan.
Yeah.
So we have to check, we have to understand the situation first. We have to see the situation first. Kita harus lihat situasinya dulu
melihat
ya.
situasi dulu.
If
Iya.
if the elevator is full of gas, then we have to wait. Yeah, we have to wait maybe until the
Belum
elevator
menjelaskan.
is empty or until there are not so many gas inside the elevator. Gitu. Jadi mungkin kita bisa menunggu kalau misalnya full. Seperti kata Adi tadi ya, we have to wait until the elevator is empty
Yeah.
or until there are not so many gas. Sampai elevatornya
Yes.
kosong atau sampai elevatornya itu
Tidak
tidak
banyak tamu.
terlalu banyak tamu. And then we get inside the elevator, we say, "Excuse me, ma'am, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, do you mind if I clean the elevator? I would like to clean the elevator," gitu ya. Apakah keberatan kalau saya membersihkan elevator, gitu ya? And then we say sorry,
Yeah.
yeah, that's okay because the guest like clean area, and then terus kemudian kamu pakai prosedur yang cleaning the elevator itu, gitu ya?
Iya,
Ya,
iya,
seperti itu. Berarti preferred answer-nya kayak gitu ya. Jawaban yang lebih preferable yang seperti itu, Adi.
iya,
Di
Miss.
interview ya, oke.
Soalnya
Melihat situasi
terkadang
dulu.
Mm-mm.
tamu juga nggak sabar kan, Miss, kalau menunggu
Mhm.
satu elevator dibuat banyak orang lah. Mungkin
Mhm.
dari lantai ground lobby ke
Mhm.
lantai 12 kan banyak yang
Mhm.
mage, terus kadang ada tamu yang nggak sabar itu
Mhm.
kan bisa menimbulkan komplain.
Mhm. Oke, alright. So it makes more sense ya. Tapi waktu itu situasinya di Crown Plaza mungkin hectic, di Artos mungkin tidak sehetik itu, jadi masih memungkinkan untuk lock elevator gitu ya mungkin ya. Kira-kira
Iya,
kayak
Iya,
gitu ya
Miss.
Ridwannya. Oke, jadi kata
iya.
kuncinya adalah we have to see the situation first.
Situasi.
Yeah, if there are so many guests, we have to wait until the elevator is empty or until there are not so many guests inside the elevator. And then we get
Iya.
inside the elevator while saying, "Excuse me, ma'am, sir. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. Do you mind if I clean the elevator?" And then you start cleaning the elevator with the proper procedure. Gitu ya, Ridwan, seperti itu ya. Oke. Jadi itu nanti kita bisa review lagi pertanyaan itu ya. Oke. And the next one, what if your vacuum cleaner is broken and then the carpet is dirty? The carpet is dirty. And the only vacuum cleaner available is damaged or broken. Then what will you do, Karidwan?
I will I will it manually clean,
Mm-hmm.
report to my supervisor, or borrow a machine from other area.
All right. Okay. Do you have any comments for this one, Adi?
No, no, Miss.
No. Okay.
That is good.
Yeah, it's proper ya, udah proper ya. So now, Ridwan, let's go to complaint ya. Did you ever get any complaints from your guests? And if you did, then how did you handle the complaint, please?
When I was a room attendant position,
Mm-hmm.
there was a guest complaint
Mm-hmm.
because remote control of television not working.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, After that, I rushed to the room and apologize to the guest,
Mm-hmm.
and I uh, I replaced the remote control battery,
Mm-hmm.
and I
Battery.
apologize
So
once battery
battery.
battery,
Uh-uh.
and I will apologize once again
Mm-hmm.
to the guest before leaving the room.
Mm-mm. Okay, very good. Alright. Ini Ridwan yang udah di luar kepala tuh ini atau masih sambil baca? Di luar kepala ya udahan
Yeah.
ya. Very good. That's
Yes.
good, Ridwan. That's a good progress. And now, how do you clean the carpet stain?
Uh, Kok saya belum menyiapkan yang itu ya, Miss,
Oh ya,
kayaknya.
carpet stain itu apa?
Ya,
Noda di karpet gitu.
noda.
Iya,
Oh iya,
Tapi
iya,
kalau secara ini knowledge sudah tahu ya, tinggal Inggrisnya aja ya.
iya, iya.
Kemarin kita sudah bahas ini ya kalau nggak salah ya. Sebentar. Nah ini? Oh enggak ya, yang elevator ya. Yang carpet stain belum ya.
iya,
Tapi jawaban Adi ada ini. Oh bukan, ini
ada,
elevator
Miss.
ya. Adi elevator, I use the white duster, pour the Diversey 7, wipe one side of the elevator wall and use the dry duster in order not to leave any mark. And I do the same to the other
Iya,
sides. According to my experience, I use R2, I spray R2 on the stain. Oh ini yang stain karpet ya. Yang jawaban dari
iya,
Adi.
Miss. Stand up.
I spray
Iya,
R2
Miss.
on the stain. Saya menyemprotkan R2 di atas nodanya until the stain is completely removed. Sampai nodanya betul-betul bersih gitu ya. If
Iya,
it is
Miss.
not gone, kalau nggak bersih, I use the dry
Hilang.
chemical
Iya,
which smells like solar. Nah, ini kalau versinya Adi.
iya,
Kalau versinya Ridwan boleh juga, you can also have your own version, Ridwan, because yeah, it's more helpful when you tell the story of something that you've done before, right? Ketika kita menceritakan sebuah cerita yang sudah pernah kita lakukan sebelumnya, dia Ridwan itu lebih mudah untuk mengingatnya tentu aja ya. Oke. So, okay.
iya,
So now
iya.
I think ya it's a wrap. Berarti PR-nya Ridwan itu ya mempersiapkan jawaban how to ya, operational
Ya,
answer itu ya tadi ya, how
equipment.
to clean
Machine.
Ya,
all the machines ya, how to clean using all these machines. Karena Adi di beberapa interview ditanyakan seperti itu gitu ya.
Iya,
Oke?
iya.
Actually guys, I want to have ini masih ada waktu sedikit ya. We still have 2 minutes left actually in the Zoom time. Do you have any questions
Yes.
before we end this session?
eh, besok mulai jam berapa, Miss?
Oh, besok hari Jumat ya. Besok hari Jumat
Iya,
itu,
Jumat.
Yes.
oh berarti mulai habis, kita belajarnya habis
Jum-
Jumatan ya. Sesi 3
Oke.
sama 4.
Iya.
Iya, Mas.
Eh, sesi 3 sama 4 nanti kita mix interview
Lewat Zoom
sama
atau di
datang di Aloha,
sekolah,
besok
Miss?
Miss ke Aloha.
Datang ke sekolah.
Gitu.
Oh,
Oh,
Heeh.
iya.
iya.
Jadi
Ya,
kan
ya.
Pak Mutakin ke Purwodadi minggu ini minta liburkan beliau. Jadi besok Miss yang ngisi untuk sesi 1 dan 2 FB service. Tapi untuk Adi dan Ridwan silakan boleh datang habis Jumatan ya. Gitu. Habis
Yes.
Jumatan ya monggo biasanya jam 1
Iya,
gitu
Mas.
ya, atau setengah 2 gitu ya. Jam 1 juga oke. Ya.
Iya, Mas.
And then I'm planning to have speaking class as well with the guys gitu ya. Alright.
Ya.
Untuk Ridwan masih bisa berpikir apakah
Iya,
mau
Mas.
nunggu cruise ship dulu atau mau submit CV yang buat Turki buat jaga-jaga ya gitu. Karena dia
Turki.
untuk Turki ini
Ya.
dia sudah mulai pengumpulan CV untuk Agustus ini ya, Agustus September ini terus kemudian nanti interviewnya entah di September entah di apa Oktober gitu ya.
Las.
Soalnya dokumennya atau
Itu
nanti
di
atau masih nunggu
pabrik
September
karya
ya nggak
atau
apa-apa juga sih.
rumah tenden?
Itu housekeeping attendant,
Oh,
jadi
ya.
kayak bisa dua-duanya gitu. Tapi mostly
Oh,
di room
dua.
ya.
Oh,
Mostly
iya.
requestnya di room memang,
Ya.
room attendant.
Hmm.
Oke. Terus untuk dokumennya itu kan masih berlaku BST dan SAT masih berlaku 5 tahun ya. Dan dokumen selain BST SAT yang CM sama CMHB itu masih itu seterusnya itu ya masih masih berlaku selamanya gitu. But let's see. Tapi kalau Miss